Hi there, I'm going to be trying this Alani Hawaiian Shaved Ice Energy Sticks powdered drink. So I will see if I can find this product online. If I can, well, here, reopen that for me. If I can, I'll link it below. I'm not usually into energy. What's the calories on that, by the way? I'm not usually into it. Sorry for the hack in Chihuahua. I'm usually not into energy drinks, but I figured we would give this a go and take y'all with us. 5 calories, so 5 calories per serving. That's
one stick.
Pretty reasonable, I think. All right, and we have 12 ounces of cold filtered water.
And you can do 12 to 16 ounces.
12 to 16, so we're making it a little bit on the stronger side. Seems to be dissolving okay. You know, this is really cold water from the refrigerator, so it might take it a minute or so to really dissolve well. Kind of almost don't smell anything. It has just maybe a slight
Hawaiian Shaved Ice is the
maybe a slight fruity smell, maybe.
I can smell the shaved ice smell from here. Yeah. Oh, it looks amazing.
Sour. It's tart.
Yeah, you definitely need more water with it. Maybe on the 16 ounce side.
She's a tart one.
It's that energy stick part that's kicking you right there.
Yeah.
Has 200 milligrams of caffeine in that sucker. Oh my.
This is not for me. But if you're looking for something that will give you a punch with flavor and caffeine, then this is where you want to go, right here. Yeah. Woo! Did you taste it?
Yeah, I tasted it.
What did you think?
It's sour as all hell. It's strong.
It's very sour.
You definitely need 16 ounces of liquid, if not more.
Or just skip it all together.
Or just skip it.
Alright, I am going to link it below. For anyone who's brave enough, who loves sour. If you love sour and you're looking for caffeine, all joking aside, I would think that this product would be the one that you might really enjoy.
You just want more water with it.
But I would suggest 16 ounces rather than the lower amount. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, are you a fan of sour flavors? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.